Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology, news is energy monitoring without costly replacements. Old meters, rising costs, and strict rules create an energy puzzle. A wireless approach offers a way forward without replacing everything. Want to know more? The Alexa IFD Wi-Fi platform by Ionix. Rising energy costs and strict environmental rules have made energy audits a necessity. Many facilities still depend on older meters and wired systems that are difficult and expensive to modernize. Replacing this infrastructure takes time, money, and often interrupts operations. The main challenge is how to move from legacy metering to connected, data-based energy management without replacing everything. Ionix Alexa IFD Wi-Fi platform addresses this by adding wireless connectivity to existing meters. Facilities can keep their current equipment while gaining Internet of Things IoT-based monitoring features. This avoids new investment in meters and removes the need for rewiring. Scalability is another issue. A single platform must work for small buildings as well as large sites. The platform supports up to 32 multifunction meters through 8 wireless gateways, allowing networks to expand without long installation timelines. What once took months with cables can now be completed in weeks, lowering cost and avoiding downtime. Connectivity is also a concern in large or complex environments. Weak Wi-Fi signals or interference from structures often prevent reliable data transfer. The system uses customer premises equipment, CPE devices to extend coverage. This ensures that all meters remain connected, while also allowing phased rollouts when budgets are limited. Handling and storing energy data is another challenge. The platform includes a Tier 5 cloud-ready backup and archival system, supporting compliance, long-term analysis, and integration with AI and machine learning. With these tools, facilities can predict maintenance needs, identify high energy use, and adjust production schedules. The platform adapts to different sites. Manufacturing plants can monitor energy across production lines without stopping operations for cabling. Office buildings and retail centers can track use by zone or tenant, making cost allocation and planning more accurate. Utilities and municipalities can enhance monitoring of existing grids step by step, focusing on critical areas first, or deploy temporary monitoring at construction sites and events. By combining wireless deployment, extended coverage, and cloud integration, the platform turns the issue of outdated infrastructure into a path for connected energy management. It keeps earlier investments in place while enabling ongoing improvements, making monitoring possible across different sectors. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.